Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the icon is actually a shortcut. This matters because shortcuts remove differently than apps. Tap and hold the icon for 1 second. Look for Remove, Uninstall, App Info, or a chain link symbol. If you see a small arrow or badge, it's a shortcut. Good. Once confirmed, drag to remove or tap Remove from Home. Make sure to check the app drawer afterward so you don't accidentally remove the full app instead. You proceed by using App Info when a simple remove won't stick. Press and hold, then tap App Info to clear defaults or force stop. If the shortcut persists, uninstall the shortcut-only package or clear your launcher cache from settings right arrow apps, right arrow launcher, right arrow storage. For folders, open the folder and remove each shortcut individually. Do not just delete the folder or you might lose organized links. Once done, restart the launcher to confirm the icons are gone. You finish by rebooting the device to refresh the home screen and ensure removals persist. If icons reappear, clear launcher data in Settings or temporarily switch to a different launcher to reset icon cache. Make sure to scan for unknown or malicious apps. Some adware recreates shortcuts automatically, then uninstall any suspicious packages. If problems continue, back up your layout and perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.